Hello, welcome to Pink Faluda. Today we're going to see how to make fried noodles. There are many types of fried noodles, but today I'll show you how to make an easy vegetable fried noodles. This is one of the type of food which you make during rainy seasons. You know, it's raining outside and you start to feel hungry and you want to make something hot but quickly. This fried noodles will be one of your best choice for such times, and it doesn't need many ingredients. You can make this on a normal day as well, so try it even if it's not raining outside today. For this recipe you will need 250 grams noodles, 3/4 to 1 big carrot, 1 cup of green beans, 3 cups of water, oil, fennel seeds, pepper powder, chili flakes and salt. Add 3 cups of water into a pot. Put half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil in it and boil. Please check the amount of water needed to make your noodles in the instruction section of your noodles packet. Keep the pot in medium to high flame. Once the water starts to boil, add the noodles in it. Now keep the flame in medium and cook the noodles. Stir the noodles every 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, keep a wok on a stove and heat it in high flame. Wok is a very good one to use when making fried rice, fried noodles or making sautés. But if you don't have a wok, you can cook in a large pan or pot. Try to get a non-stick one if possible, otherwise you have to continuously keep stirring to prevent the ingredients from burning, and you have to cook in medium flames. Once the wok is hot, add a little oil in it. Then add little fennel seeds, add the grated carrots and sliced green beans. Stir all together well. In the meantime, check the noodles and make sure it is cooked through. Make sure that there is no water left at the bottom of the pot once the noodles is cooked. If you see any, drain it. Taste the bean and carrot to make sure that they are cooked and don't have a raw smell. Now add chili flakes, pepper powder and salt according to your preference. Mix all well together. Stir this for another 2 minutes. Now turn the flames to low and add the noodles. Mix it well. As I'm taking the video with one hand, I'm using one hand to mix it, but you should use 2 spoons and 2 hands and mix all together well. That is the easy method. Now the tasty fried noodles is ready. Try it and let me know in the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to see more, please subscribe, like and share. I'll see you with another recipe soon. Until then, take care.